Alright, so you may look at this as a little bit weird. That's because we kind of messed up. So we were going to build out to this level right here. We're going to build the garage up 6 inches above this gravel level right here. And it was going to be on top of all this. What I didn't have planned was the fact that if I did that, the ramp to the garage would be way too high. So we had to lower everything. So we're lowering the level of the concrete to be basically at the top of that board right there. And right now they're doing the leveling process with the strings to make sure that they're good. So let's take a look here. How much we went down. It's about 20 inches down to the subgrade. It's quite a lot. But now that we're here, we can start leveling again. As you can see, that's a lot of gravel, or item 4, or 2A modified, if you want to call it, that we're going to be putting under the concrete, because the dirt that this has is garbage. So we're using a lot of item 4 or gravel or 2A modified to make sure that there's stability in the concrete. So we're going to continue to level this out. We'll see you back in a bit. So as my cousin does some work in the skid steer, we're almost done. We're actually pretty much done with the level. So right now he's just flattening things out, making them perfect. He's doing it in a way I wouldn't do it, but that's okay. That is a very deafening beep. As you can see, we got one more load of gravel, just to I want to have a pile of finishing gravel, and if we have extra, that's okay. What we're gonna do is to start leveling right here. Gonna watch him do that here.
ยังว่าฟังที่ปลาซุปนกนี่ออกสังเกต